So we've created an iframe that has a browse that can then be edited. Now I want to remove this editing part so that you can only view the browse records. So we'll log in and we'll go to the JavaScript section of this form's properties. And what we're going to do is there's a function here called nuSelectBrowse. We're going to set that to a function that doesn't do anything, which means every time that we click on one of these browsers, it will do nothing. But it'll only be the case for anyone with an access level code of V. So I'll log in here again. Globe admin, just so that you can see that the other thing that we've done is we've gone to the access levels of this form and we've made sure that we can't add, print, delete, clone or do anything. So now if we go back here, I'll refresh this screen and I can't click on anything.